welcome back to my channel Life to the Power Infinity. I hope you all are doing super fine, and those of you are new to my channel, hi guys, I'm Shreya Adhikari and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. So please do hit the subscribe button before watching this video, because your one subscription will just make my day awesome, guys. So yes, today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of dark circles. Well, I'll be sharing my 5 most effective home remedies how to get rid of your dark circles. Dark circles are really common and we all face this problem. Like, usually dark circles are accompanied by sagging of your skin, making your under eye skin very baggy, and they are mostly attributed due to lack of sleep, stress, fatigue, dehydration, lack of vitamins, and sometimes they are hereditary too. Basically, I don't have that much of dark circles, but this video is a request video from one of my very near and close friend, and thank you Arya so much for requesting this video. It's an awesome content to share with all of you people. So yes, let's talk less and just quickly jump into the video.
For making aloe vera ice cubes, I need the aloe vera plant, and I have taken out the fresh aloe vera extract from the aloe vera plant. Next, what I'm doing is, I am pouring the aloe vera extract into the mixture grinder and giving the aloe vera extract a nice fine mix. Then pouring the aloe vera mixture into the ice cube tray and freezing it for 8 hours. Aloe vera helps to improve blood circulation and reduces your dark circles under your eyes. It can also hydrate the skin in the surrounding area and make it supple. Ice also improves blood circulations. Ice cubes make the skin cold and relaxed. Usually dark circles appear when the blood circulation under the eye is low. Both ice and aloe vera are important to reduce your dark circles. Apply this just under your eyes on your dark circles and let it dry. Do not wash it off. After 15 to 20 minutes, just wipe it off with a napkin or a towel, and do it regularly for better result. My next remedy is cold green tea paste for dark circles. So put some water in a glass bowl and just warm it up for 1 minute. Put some green tea leaves in the warm water and strain it off. Then make a fine paste of green tea leaves and just put it in the refrigerator bag for 2 hours. Now apply this cold green tea paste just under your eyes where you have the dark circles. Green tea contains tannins which have astringent properties that help in reducing dark circles. Dark circles are also caused because the blood vessels get dilated. Green tea constricts the blood vessels and thus reduces the dark circles. You can use cold green tea bags, but I prefer to use green tea paste. Apply it under your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. You can perform this remedy twice or thrice a week. My next remedy is coffee or cocoa powder with milk. Take 2 tablespoons of coffee or cocoa powder and mix it with 1 tablespoon of milk and make a thick paste out of it. Coffee has caffeine that can tighten your skin and remove darkness around your eyes. Milk also contains lactic acid, which is beneficial to remove dark circles. It improves the smoothness and firmness of the skin and reduces lines and wrinkles too. So apply this paste with a brush and let it dry for 30 minutes, then wipe it off. Follow this remedy daily for 10 days to get the result. My next step is saffron and milk. Take few strands of saffron and soak them in 1 tablespoon of milk and freeze it for 2 hours. Bioactive compounds like carotenoids, riboflavin promote the anti-tyrosinase activity of saffron. These compounds may help prevent excessive pigmentation of the under eyes and reduce the dark circles. Apply it on the skin surrounding your eyes. You can wash it off in about 10 minutes. Perform this remedy twice or thrice a week for better results. My 5th and the last most effective remedy is yogurt and lemon. Take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and a teaspoon of lemon. Mix it well and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Vitamin C in lemon and lactic acid in yogurt helps in removing the dark circles. Leave this paste on your dark circles for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off, and you can do this once or twice a week. Before applying lemon, do a patch test because lemon can irritate some of your skin types.
So by this I complete my 5 most effective home remedies which can help you out to get rid of dark circles or panda eyes. But few people may be having some internal medical issues or health problems. For that I will definitely recommend you to consult with a doctor who can give you the appropriate treatment to get rid of those dark circles. I hope this video will be extremely helpful for you guys because it is absolutely natural DIY home remedies to get rid of your dark circles. If my video is effective and helpful for you guys, then please do like, comment and share, and do click that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun and stay tuned with my next videos. Bye.